Hello on this Thursday, August 20th, 2009. I'm Kristen Volk with the UPI White House Weekly. President Obama is struggling to strike a deal that satisfies all parties involved in the health care debate. Earlier this week, the Obama administration hinted that it may be willing to drop the idea of a government-run insurance plan that would compete with private insurers and hold down premium costs. While the White House maintains that the president still insists on a public option, the news pleased Republicans but angered many Democrats. Lawmakers are exploring a national nonprofit healthcare cooperative as one alternative to Obama's government-run plan, but critics say a co-op won't have the bargaining power to negotiate prices and keep private insurers honest. Administration officials say they hope for a bipartisan bill, but congressional Democrats are reportedly trying to push reform legislation without Republican backing. And the president took a brief break from his health care push this week and pledged to increase support for America's veterans. On Monday, he spoke to the Veterans of Foreign Wars Convention in Phoenix, Arizona. He promised to help those with post-traumatic stress disorder and traumatic brain injury. Obama also told his audience that more mobile and rural clinics would be constructed to reach veterans back home. But despite his attempt to shift the subject away from health care, protesters gathered outside and voiced their opinions about the president's plans to overhaul the nation's system. And Obama says that he's optimistic that talks between Israelis and Palestinians will resume. His comments came after meeting with Egyptian President Hosni Mubarak at the White House earlier this week. The pair discussed ways to revive the Middle East peace process, which Obama said is currently in a rut. Mubarak conveyed his willingness to bring the two parties together, but said the issue of Jewish settlements was central to warming ties between the states. Obama acknowledged that everyone would have to take some steps, although he said there's movement in the right direction. Mubarak's visit to the U.S. marks his first in more than 5 years. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching this UPI White House Weekly. For more on these stories and all of the day's news, go to upi.com.